Gigi too.
Yay!
Yay! Do you know what we're going to do today, Gigi? This is the perfect day to paint our own Christmas figures. Wow, look at that. What do we have in here? Let's see. That's amazing. That's amazing. And I think I'm going to be very good at it. So, what kind of ornaments do we have in here? Let's see. We have a reindeer. I think it's Rudolph. Santa's reindeer. Wow. We have an elf. What's this? What's this? I think, so it has this little beautiful wings. I think it's an angel. Do you like this, Gigi? Yeah, I love it. And of course, we have Santa and a snowman. So let's start with painting the ornaments. What do we need when we paint something? Of course, we need paintbrushes. Look, we have 2 paintbrushes. We have some paint, different colors.
Wow!
What colors do we have in here, Gigi? Do you know what color that is? I will tell you. It's green. Exactly how we have the Christmas tree. It's green, like a Christmas tree. We have black. We have a little bit of white. So I think that will be for the snowman, because the snowman is white. We have yellow, red, and blue. Because they're Christmas tree ornaments, we need ribbons as well, so we can attach them to the tree. Oh, that's so nice. Okay, so let's start doing this. Which one would you like me to paint first? I will start with Santa Claus. I need a bit of water. So we need red for the hat. Yes. Ready. Do you like it? Oh no, let's put the ribbon on it. Let's go to the snowman. We need to paint his nose orange, and I don't have orange, so how can we get the color orange? We will mix a bit of red with a bit of yellow, and then we will have orange.
Wow.
His nose is a carrot. Snowman is ready. Look at him. Let's put the ribbon.
Yay!
And now let's paint the reindeer. So for the reindeer, we need brown. So we will mix a bit of blue, red, and yellow. So blue, red, and yellow. And now we will mix this up. Wow, and now we have brown. And now I can start painting the reindeer. And the reindeer is ready.
Yay!
Look at him. And the ribbon. And don't forget, be kind, wash your hands, eat healthy. You are beautiful.